Well, welcome to another recipe. Today we're making crispy chicken tenders cooked in the oven. I mean, you could put them in the oven in both in the air fryer. It don't matter, or whatever your preferred method of cooking chicken tenders. And so, without further ado, let's just go right into the recipe. This is pretty simple. These came out really good. My only suggestion is maybe probably get a little more seasoned salt there than what I had done because I'm trying to, not that I'm trying to cut back on the better of the salts here. Just I didn't want to over season my chicken because my wife did eat these and she really enjoyed these, and yeah, that's what they looked like when they came out of the oven and ready to go. So why don't we go right into the recipe? So you're gonna need some chicken. I ended up buying some chicken tenders a while back ago. We separated them in two bags, and I'm using the seasoned pork rind and about a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I used almost two, maybe 3 cups of this pork rind that I bought from Amazon, and then a quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese, kind of the green can. And then I mixed it all in because I didn't want to make sure I got all lumps out of it. And then I transferred it into a shorter bowl. Then I cracked a couple of eggs, and then what I did was I just gave a quick egg wash in each one. But once I got the chicken out of the bag onto the cutting board, I patted everything all dry, seasoned the sides both well with salt and pepper, and then I dumped. Well, I didn't dump, but I actually grabbed each one of the chicken tenders and I put it into the egg wash, and then I ended up patting them into dripping them into the breadcrumbs. Oh my gosh! And laid them out on a sheeting pan, and I had that time I had the oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I popped them in there for about 30 minutes. At the halfway point, towards the end of the video, you can see me popping them out of the oven, and then I ended up checking them to see what the external temperature was. They were at the pretty much the thickest of the chicken tender wasn't done. It was about 140, 150, so I popped them back in for another 15 minutes, and these came out really, really good. But again, my wife really liked this, and I just, oh yeah. So then towards the end of the video over here too, you're gonna see me. I kind of ran out of breadcrumbs, so I should have actually had another half a cup. So what I ended up doing was I ended up taking a spoon and I just ended up putting on top of the ones that kind of like looked like it needed a little more breadcrumb. And of course, I'm filming by myself, so it's very, very hard. So let's continue on to the end of it, and then I'll come back and talk about it. Okay, so we are back, and these are chicken tenders. They're done. They're checking with the thermometer gauge, 165 or above. Now I'm just taking them out, and I'm just kind of like plating them for a thumbnail. And then what I ended up doing, I should have actually showed you that part, but I ended up using my favorite barbecue sauce. I bought some teriyaki barbecue sauce, sugar-free, and from the Good Use company, and they're really great company to get. They're for low carb weight loss. And I also, most like everything else, I did buy my product on Amazon. But I did notice that some of their products are starting to come out in the stores because a lot of people have been probably asking about it. And here you go, and there you have our final product. And again, those tasted real good. Even my wife liked it. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video.